Welcome guys to Old School Cooks, where today I'm going to show you how to make a roast chicken that bastes itself. It is so easy and it will be so juicy. You will never cook your roast chicken any other way. So let's get started. All right, so here we have all of the ingredients to make our awesome upside down roast chicken. It's a 4.5 pound chicken that has been rinsed in and out and dried thoroughly with paper towels. About a half a dozen of nice sized garlic cloves, 1/2 of a lemon cut into quarters, 1 medium onion also cut into quarters, 6 pats of butter. This is 1 parsnip that is cut up into pieces as shown, as well as about 10 baby sized carrots. And for the spices, pepper, some dry thyme. Usually I use fresh thyme, but I don't have it. And of course, the secret ingredient, again, not salt, but celery salt. All right, guys, all I'm gonna do is season the bird very well with the salt and pepper, sprinkle some thyme in at the end. But what I'm gonna do is take this butter and kind of coat the whole chicken. It's softened, so I'm gonna coat the whole chicken with the butter. That's gonna give it its awesome color as well. And then when it's all done, I'm gonna sprinkle the thyme in and out around the bird after the butter has been put on. And I'll show you what that looks like. These vegetables are gonna go into the pan that I'm gonna throw into the oven. I'll show you that as well, and we'll get this bird cooking. All right, so smeared that butter all over the bird, seasoned it very well with the celery salt, the pepper, and the thyme. Put the half of the lemon and some garlic inside of the bird, along with a little bit of the onion as well. And then everything else is right here. This is gonna prop the bird up. I'm just gonna basically take this, which I can do right now, and just gonna put it right into the pan and put in the lemon that escaped. Okay. And basically now what we're gonna do is, let me get that camera moved a little bit. Whoa. Almost a little accident there. This pan is just gonna go right into the 450-degree oven. Gonna cook it for about an hour, maybe an hour and 10 minutes. I flip it over and then I put it under the broiler to crisp that breast meat skin that people really like and enjoy as well. But again, cooking the chicken like this, the dark meat kind of bastes the breast, so it makes it moist, delicious, probably the best chicken breast you'll have if you decide you want to try cooking it like this. So let's get this in the oven, and then I'll show you what happens when I flip it over. All right, so it's been just about an hour and 5 minutes, and look at that color on the back. Now there's plenty of crispy skin right there, and this chicken is gonna continue cooking as we let it rest for about 15 minutes. But Moss likes the white meat and she loves the skin on the breast side. So I flip this bad boy over and I'm gonna put it in the broiler on high, about 3 inches from the heat, for about 3, 4, 5 minutes. You gotta keep an eye on it because it browns pretty quickly. So I'm gonna flip the bird over and get it in the broiler, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's ready to rest. All right, chicken's flipped over. You can let it rest like this. Not as appetizing, being kind of a pale looking breast. But we're gonna put that in the broiler, like I said, for about 5 to 10 minutes tops, and we'll see how it looks when it comes out. All right, 5 minutes, 7 minutes in the broiler. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous color. Gonna let this chicken rest now for at least 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna slice it up, show you how I do it, taking that breast meat off, especially from Moss, and get it on the plate, and dinner is ready. Well, after that awesome win, it's time for a celebratory snack. Today, we're making old school slot style roasted chicken. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Really, old school? Roast chicken? What's so great about that? This bad boy is gonna be the best white meat you ever had. Do you know why? Because I cook it upside down. And I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. All right, chicken's been resting for about 15 minutes. Temperature is 170 in the breast, which is perfect. So what I'd like to do
is basically take the breast meat off first and just cut it in the center along the breastbone all the way down. And then just kind of let the leg and the thigh come off. And then I go on the bottom and just cut right up to the breastbone. All right, and then remove this nice piece of extremely hot and juicy breast, because this is Moss's favorite. All right. Beautiful. She likes the skin, of course, so we're just gonna slice it and it's gonna be served. And you'll see the finished product, and then it's time to eat.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. There it is, guys. So juicy is this breast meat. It is amazing. You cook it upside down, it bastes itself, and your family and friends will truly be amazed, and you'll be shocked in how easy it is and why we were doing it upside down all along. Thank you so much for your love and support of Old School Cooks. More recipes to come. Appreciate you giving me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and you will get the celebration snacks, hacks, and awesome recipes to your screen. Cheers, be well, and anyone can cook, so can you.